Hello everyone. Today we will explain about our material is insertion sort and bubble sort. Sorting in data structure is very important in computer programming. Sorting is the process of sorting data that was previously arranged randomly so that it is arranged regularly according to certain rules. The purpose of using sorting it is to make it easier for someone to search and organize data. There are two sorting arrangements, namely ascending and descending. Ascending is sorting from smaller to larger, while descending is sorting from larger to smaller. Before the material, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Niketut Novia Rosita Putri. You can call me Rosita.
My name is Mia Artem Smelewi and you can call me Atika.
My name is Indra Juliani. You can call me Tita.
There are 4 points in table of contents. 1 is insertion sort, 2 is bubble sort, 3 is difference between insertion sort and bubble sort, 4 is conclusions. Okay, the first material is insertion sort. The insertion sort algorithms is the sorting algorithms that use two lists for the sorting process. The two lists are sort list and unsort list. In the initial conditions, all the numbers to be sorted in the unsort list conditions.
Okay, the next material is use of insertion sort. First point is sort the card in the game. When playing card, players often arrange their card to make the game easier. This process is very similar to insertion sort. Players start with a view card in hand, then insert new card one by one into the correct position among the already sorted card. Second point is manage guest list. If you have a guest list for an event and want to sort it by name, you would probably use a method similar to insertion sort. Every time a new name is added, you will insert it into the correct position in the sorted list. Third, short financial record. When recording financial transactions in a general ledger or financial application, new transactions often need to be entered in chronological order. Adding a new transaction to the correct position in already sorted list is another example of using insertion sort. Fourth, sequencing in education. Teachers might use a method similar to insertion sort when sorting student test results by grade or alphabetically, adding new grade to the appropriate position in a ascending list.
Number 1. That insert sort R. The insert sort R function is a Python function that will sort an array R using the insertion sort sorting algorithm. Insertion sort is a simple algorithm that divides an array into parts. The sorted part in the unsorted part. Number 2. For E in range 1 len out. In the insert sort algorithm, a for loop with a range from I to len R is used to iterate through the entire array R, except the first element. This is because this element is considered to be in the concert position in the internal version of the sorted array. Number 3. Insertion sort R. The insert sort R function will sort the array R in place without returning any values, because the array will change directly in place.
The second material is bubble sort. The bubble sort algorithm is a sorting by exchanging data with neighboring data continuously until in a certain iteration there are no more changes. These algorithms use a direct strategy by comparing all positions and making exchanges.
Okay, next one. Use of bubble sort. First point is small data sorting. Although inefficient for large amounts of data, bubble sort can be used to sort small amount of objects or data in everyday life. Examples include ordering several items on a shopping list or ordering several names on a small list. Second point is limited data sorting. Bubble sort can be used in situations where computing resources are limited or memory usage is limited. This can happen, for example, in embedded system or device with limited computing capacity. Third is education and learning. Bubble sort is often used in educational context to help students understand basic sorting concepts and algorithms. It use here places greater emphasis on clarity and understanding of the algorithm rather than computational efficiency. And last one is backmarking algorithm. A tool really used for actual sorting. Bubble sort can be used as a backmarking tool to compare the performance or other sorting algorithm in testing or research.
Next, bubble sort elements. Number 1. Def bubble sort R. The bubble sort function is used to sort the elements in a list array using the bubble sort algorithm. This algorithm works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order and length R. In the bubble sort R function in the store the length of number of elements in the R array. The variable n in this context is very useful because it allows us to dynamically find out how many elements there are in the array we are sorting. Number 3. For I in range n. Loop the record the process until no more exchanges are needed. And number 4. For G in range 0 and I1. For G in range is an important part of the bubble sort algorithm, which used to compare adjacent elements in an array and perform swap if necessary.
Okay, the next material is the difference between insertion sort and bubble sort. The difference between insertion sort and bubble sort lies in how they perform sorting and how they manipulate the elements in the array. First, how it works. Insertion sort compresses each element with the previous elements in the array and insert the element into the correct position in the sequence being constructed. But bubble sort compresses each pair of consecutive elements in the array, and if the pair is unordered, for example, and smaller elements follow longer elements, they are swept. Second, times complexity. Insertion sort typically perform better than bubble sort, especially in best and average cases. But bubble sort has less efficient performance than insertion sort in most cases, because it always compares and sweeps elements in pairs even if the array is almost shorted. Okay, third is sorting. Insertion sort the array by inserting each element into the appropriate position in the sequence by constructed. But bubble sort an array by repeatedly moving pairs of unordered elements to the correct position in the sequence. Fourth is stability. Insertion sort stable, meaning that if there are elements with the same value, they will remain in the original relative order. But bubble sort also stable because it only moves elements in pairs.
Okay, the last is conclusions. The conclusions is insertion sort and bubble sort are two simple sorting algorithms used in computer programming. Insertion sort is often preferred because it has better performance in the general case and can operate efficiently in near sort conditions. However, for very simple sorting or for educational purposes, bubble sort remains relevant due to the clarity of the concept. These are two algorithms have the same time complexity in the word case, but insertion sort tends to be superior in the best and average cases. Okay, that's all our material. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye.